Making $100 a day sounds like a big goal, especially if you think you need skills, experience, or a business to get there. But the truth is, there are simple methods that require zero skills, and beginners are already using them to earn real, consistent income every single day. While most people overcomplicate things, the smartest earners focus on systems that work with little effort and no prior knowledge. In this video, we're revealing the zero skill method to earn $100 a day, and step number 3 might surprise you with how easy it really is. Finding the right platform. The first step is choosing where you'll actually make this money. The best platforms for complete beginners are user testing websites, micro-task platforms, and content creation sites that pay for simple activities. Websites like User Testing, Respondent, and even Amazon's Mechanical Turk are gold mines for people starting from scratch. These platforms don't require you to have a portfolio or prove your expertise. You simply sign up, complete your profile, and start taking on tasks. The beauty of these platforms is that they connect you directly with companies willing to pay for your time and honest feedback. You're not competing with professionals because the work doesn't require professional skills. Within the first day of signing up, you can already be earning your first dollars. Signing up and getting approved. Most people skip this crucial step and wonder why they're not getting tasks. When you sign up for these platforms, you need to fill out your profile completely and honestly. Add a clear profile picture, write a brief bio, and answer all demographic questions. Companies use this information to match you with relevant tasks. The more complete your profile, the more opportunities you'll receive. Some platforms require you to pass a sample test or screening. Don't rush through these. Take your time, give thoughtful responses, and show that you can follow instructions. Once you're approved, you'll start receiving task notifications. Set up email alerts so you never miss an opportunity. The key here is consistency. Check your accounts multiple times throughout the day because tasks get filled quickly. Completing user testing jobs. User testing is one of the highest paying zero skill methods out there. Companies pay you to visit their websites or apps and share your honest thoughts while you navigate through them. A typical test takes 15 to 20 minutes and pays anywhere from $10 to $60. Your job is simple. Speak your thoughts out loud as you complete tasks they give you. For example, they might ask you to find a specific product on their website and complete a purchase. As you do this, you talk about what's confusing, what's easy, what you like, and what frustrates you. There's no right or wrong answer. They want genuine reactions from real users. To maximize your earnings, be expressive and detailed in your feedback. The more valuable your insights, the higher your ratings, and the more tests you'll be invited to complete. Taking online surveys that actually pay. Surveys get a bad reputation because many pay very little. But if you know which platforms to use, they can be a solid income source. Stick with reputable sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Prolific. These platforms have surveys that pay between $1 and $10 each, and they take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes. The trick is to qualify for higher-paying surveys by being honest in your demographic responses and keeping your profile updated. Some surveys are looking for specific audiences like pet owners, parents, or people in certain income brackets. Don't lie to qualify because you'll get disqualified halfway through and waste your time. Instead, focus on completing every survey you qualified for with quality responses. Set a daily goal of completing at least 10 surveys. Even at $3 per survey, that's $30 a day, and you're already a third of the way to your $100 goal. Doing simple freelance tasks. Platforms like Fiverr and People Per Hour aren't just for professionals. You can offer incredibly simple services that require zero technical skills. Think about things like data entry, internet research, PDF conversion, file organization, or even virtual assistant tasks like scheduling appointments. The key is to start with low prices to build your reputation. Offer your service for $5 to $10, deliver exceptional quality, and ask for reviews. Once you have 10 to 20 positive reviews, you can gradually increase your prices. The beautiful thing about this approach is that these tasks are straightforward and learnable in minutes. You're essentially getting paid to do things you already know how to do, like typing, searching Google, or organizing information. With just 5 to 10 small gigs a day, you can easily hit $100. Selling your opinions to market research companies. Market research companies are desperate to hear what regular people think about products. Services and advertisements. They conduct focus groups, interviews, and paid studies, and they pay very well. Platforms like Respondent and User Interviews connect you with these opportunities. A single 1-hour interview can pay anywhere from $50 to $200. Yes, you read that right. All you need to do is show up, answer questions honestly, and share your thoughts. These companies aren't looking for experts. They want everyday consumers who can give genuine feedback. Apply to as many studies as you can. You won't qualify for all of them, but even landing 1 or 2 per week will significantly boost your income. Some studies are conducted online through video calls, while others are in person if you're in a major city. Both options pay well. Getting paid to watch videos. This sounds too good to be true, but it's real. Platforms like Inbox Dollars, MyPoints, and Swodbucks pay you to watch video content. These are usually advertisements, trailers, or sponsored content that companies need viewer feedback on. Each video might only pay a few cents, but they're short and you can watch them while doing other things. The strategy here is to let videos play while you work on other tasks from different platforms. You're essentially multitasking your way to $100. Open multiple browser tabs and rotate between watching videos, taking surveys, and checking for new user testing opportunities. This stacking method allows you to maximize your time and earnings. In a few hours of active work plus passive video watching, reaching $100 becomes very achievable. Testing apps and games. Game developers and app creators need real users to test their products before official launch. They pay testers to play games, explore apps, and report bugs, or give feedback. Platforms like Playtest Cloud and beta testing connect you with these opportunities. Testing sessions typically pay $9 to $20 for 15 to 30 minutes of your time. You don't need to be a gamer or tech-savvy. You just need to follow instructions, explore the app naturally, and share your honest experience. Some tests ask you to think aloud while recording your screen, while others just want you to complete specific tasks and answer questions afterward. This is genuinely fun work that doesn't feel like work at all. If you enjoy trying new apps and games anyway, you might as well get paid for it. Becoming a website and app reviewer. Beyond user testing, there are platforms specifically for reviewing websites and apps. Sites like Enroll and Analysia pay you to review digital products and services. Your job is to provide constructive feedback on design, functionality, and user experience. Each review takes about 10 to 20 minutes and typically pays $10 to $15. The reviews follow a structured format with specific questions, so you don't need to come up with feedback from scratch. They guide you through what to evaluate. The more reviews you complete, the more you'll earn and the better you'll become at spotting issues and providing valuable insights. This skill can even grow into something more substantial over time, but for now, it's a perfect zero-skill money maker. Maximizing your daily earnings. Now that you're familiar with all these methods, the real secret to consistently earning $100 per day is combining them strategically. Don't rely on just one source. Diversifying your income streams is key. Treat it like a mini business where every method contributes to your daily goal. Start your day by checking all platforms for new opportunities. Look for high-paying user tests first thing in the morning, because these can often fill up quickly. While waiting for other tasks or approvals, work on surveys, which are simple to complete and can keep cash flowing steadily. In between, apply for market research studies and freelance gigs. These often pay more and can significantly boost your daily earnings. You can even multitask smartly. Let videos play in the background while testing apps or schedule tasks that don't require full attention alongside more active work. This diversified approach ensures you're earning from multiple sources at the same time. So even if one platform is slow, you're still making money elsewhere. Earning $100 a day doesn't have to be complicated. With the right method, consistency, and a little action, anyone can start generating real income, even without skills or experience. The only thing left to do is start. Which step are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to see where you begin. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who thinks earning online is too hard. Until next time, stay focused, stay consistent, and keep turning simple methods into real money.